Welcome to Master Mathematics Minutes. Today's topic is about large numbers in ordinary form. And we'll cover a couple examples on how to write large numbers in ordinary form. And we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, what are large numbers in ordinary form? Recall the definition of standard form is where we can write numbers as a times 10 to the power of n, where n is a positive or negative integer, and a is greater than or equals to 1 and less than 10. So, we can convert numbers in standard form to ordinary form. Let's consider an example. So with a large number, 8.2 times 10 to the power of 5. So 8.2 is between 1 and 10, and 5 is a positive integer, so this is in standard form. And so 8.2 times 10 to the power of 5 is equals to 820,000 in ordinary form. So if the decimal is between the digits 8 and 2, multiplying by 10 to the power of 5 is where we move the decimal to right by 5 digits. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, giving us 820,000 in ordinary form. In the first example, we're asked to write 2.9 times 10 to the power of 4 in ordinary form. So with 2.9 times 10 to the power of 4 as equals to 29,000. So if the decimal is between the digits 2 and 9, multiplying by 10 to the power of 4 is where we move the decimal to right by 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, giving us 29,000. In the second example, we're asked to write 6.51 times 10 to the power of 7 in ordinary form. So with 6.51 times 10 to the power of 7 as equals to 65,100,000. So if the decimal is between the digits 6 and 5, multiplying by 10 to the power of 7 is where we move the decimal to right by 7 digits. So with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, giving us 65,100,000. In the third example, we're asked to write 9.23 times 10 to the power of 12 in ordinary form. So with 9.23 times 10 to the power of 12 as equals to 923 and 10 zeros. So if the decimal is between the digits 9 and 2, multiplying by 10 to the power of 12 is where we move the decimal to right by 12 digits. So we have 1, 2, and 10 zeros. In the fourth example, we're asked to write 5.46 times 10 to the power of 9 in ordinary form. So we have 5.46 times 10 to the power of 9 as equals to 546 and 7 zeros. So if the decimal is between the digits 5 and 4, multiplying by 10 to the power of 9 is where we move the decimal to the right by 9 digits. So with 1, 2, and 7 zeros. To summarize, recall the definition of standard form is where we can write numbers as a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where n is a positive or negative integer, and a is greater than or equals to 1 and less than 10. And so we can convert numbers in standard form to ordinary form. So consider the large number 8.2 times 10 to the power of 5. That is in standard form. We can rewrite that in ordinary form, and that is equals to 820,000. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics Minutes.